Hi, I'm women's fitness expert Julie Laurie, and I am super excited to announce the launch of the Beverly International Collagen Peptides. I have been waiting for this for a very long time here at FitBody, and it is out. So, really excited. You know, collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, and it's an important component of your connective tissues, of your skin, of your bones. Really, it's going to help with the strength and structure of those tissues. So adding collagen in makes a huge difference. And I personally see a difference in my nails, in the way my hair looks and grows, in the elasticity of my skin. It really makes a difference when you're consistently using collagen peptides. Okay, so I have used many brands over the years, on and off, really tried to explore and find one that I loved. So there are a few things that I look for in a collagen peptide. You know, the first is really that it's unflavored. I want to be able to toss my collagen into my coffee without changing the flavor, put it into a protein shake, smoothie, even maybe into one of my recipes, like my Ultimate Muscle Protein waffle recipe or my protein cookie recipe. So I want to be able to throw collagen in without giving it some kind of off flavor. So unflavored is the first thing. The second is dissolvability. And this is huge, and it really differentiates collagen peptide brands, because there's a lot of brands out there that use lower quality that it just doesn't dissolve well, and you end up with clumps and gummy. if you've used collagen, you know what I'm talking about. You end up with like this gummy part of the in your drink. It's kind of gross. So dissolvability is huge. I want it to go into the hot or cold liquid and just dissolve straight away. Of course, I want to make sure that all of the supplements that I'm using are high quality and from a brand that I trust. So I have been taking Beverly International supplements for more than 20 years now, and I trust the brand. They always use the highest quality ingredients. It just makes a difference to have a brand like this that you trust. Finally, you want to make sure that you really have the right composition for your collagen peptides, that there's not lots of extra additives. With the Beverly Collagen Peptides, there are 70 calories, 18 grams of protein, so everything is going to protein, and a great amino acid profile with 18 different amino acids. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm diving in. I talked a little bit about dissolvability. It's huge, right? So I'm going to show you how it dissolves and what the protein is. So come on, dive on in. So as you open it, so there's a nice little scoop inside, and what you'll see is it's really great consistency. So the protein itself doesn't clump up, it pours nice and easy. It's really great. This is exactly what I'm looking for with a collagen. I want it to be, that's gonna dissolve easy. And I've got my Hydro Flask cup here. Okay, this is my favorite mug, by the way. So I've got my coffee I've already made up, and let's go ahead. We're gonna do, so the recommended dose is 2 scoops. I'm gonna start with my first, I like to do a nice level scoop on it. And as you come in, we're gonna pour it in. So right away, you can see how it's falling out. Oh my goodness, it's like, I'm not even stirring, and it's totally just dissolving right away. That's awesome. So from here, I'm gonna give it just a little bit of a stir. And that is totally blended. That was like 5 seconds or less of stirring. And what you'll see, so I do espresso. So it's got a little bit of that crema, and it is nice and totally blended. So 1 scoop, straight away, totally blended. Now, the serving size is 2 scoops. I'm gonna go ahead and put my second scoop in to get my extra protein. So this would be 35 calories and 9 grams of protein if you just did 1 scoop. I like to add in a second, so come on in with me. And check this out. Boom. Right away, just starts dissolving. Mix that up. And it's gone. Okay? So nice hot coffee, totally blended straight away. Oh, it's so good. Like you just can't even, you don't even taste the extra collagen, but this has 18 grams of protein. So, okay, yum. I'm gonna save that for later. But what I wanna show you too is how it dissolves just in water. So I'm filling my glass up with water. All right, so I've got my glass of water here. Open these up. All right, so again, I'm gonna do a level scoop here, one level scoop, pop that in, and what you see is right away, even without stirring, this is totally blending right in. It's really amazing how easily this blends. I do like to give it a little stir, but your collagen is totally blended and nice and clear. There's no clumps, there's no gumminess. It's just in solution. So pretty incredible that the collagen peptides just dissolve so easy. Okay, those are the collagen peptides from Beverly International. Head over to fitbuddy.com to check them out and to get yours today. I'm gonna be using these every single day for the next year, and I'm gonna report back to you on exactly the changes that I see at the end of the year. All right, make sure to subscribe to my videos, hit the like button, and I will be back soon with more fitness information.